Hello, this is linear equations and functions, linear inequalities in two variables, example 4. Example 4 talks about a prepaid phone card worth $50, and you'll be making some calls to Mexico and some calls in the United States. And the United States calls cost 16 cents a minute, and the Mexican calls cost 44 cents per minute. And we need to write a linear inequality in two variables to represent the number of minutes to United States and Mexico. So I'll let x equal the US minutes, and y, of course, becomes the Mexican minutes. So the number of United States minutes is going to be multiplied times 0.16. So that'll be 0.16x, and we're going to add to that the amount of money we spend on Mexican minutes, which would be 0.44y. And that together is got to be less than or equal to $50. Okay, so there's our inequality. And now it says graph the inequality. So I use the two endpoints. I said to myself, well, what if all of the minutes are spent in Mexico? Well, that number was 113. The book's graph, it looks to me like they graphed it as 103. My calculation puts it at 113. And then I said, what if there were 0 Mexican minutes? Well, then the United States minutes, I believe that came up to 309. So it's a little bit above 300. So based on those two, I graphed the line, and that's what it is. And in this case, I really think that the line is more what we're interested in instead of the gray area. The gray area would indicate points where we still had a lot of time left. It's this red line that indicates the limit for the card. And the card seems to hit some points. So some real-time situations would be approximately 40 minutes to Mexico and 200 minutes in the United States. And there's another point where it hits, and that looks like 90 Mexican minutes, and let's see, that'd be 66 United States minutes, and I've already talked about this point, 113 Mexican minutes and no American minutes, and I forgot what that point was. That would be all US minutes would mean the Mexican minutes were 0, so it's 50 divided by 0.16. And that's 312 was what that came out to. So if you made no calls to Mexico, you could make 312.5 minutes United States. So I think that's a good discussion of the situation.